Every journey matters, every delivery, every promise. When trucks are at the heart of your business, nothing should be left to chance. Genuine Volvo parts are designed and built to the same high standards as when your truck left the factory, which means they are tested to last, fit perfectly, and work smoothly with the other components. A single Volvo shock absorber can support up to 5 tons of weight. That puts demands on the quality. Every part must perform exactly as intended throughout its lifetime. In our advanced testing facility, our parts are tested for durability and performance in the most extreme conditions. With Genuine Volvo parts, you reduce the risk of unexpected breakdowns, lower the risk of accidents, and improve your energy efficiency. And when installed by an authorized Volvo workshop, you're protected by a 2-year fitted parts warranty, so you don't have to worry about unexpected costs. And you can feel confident that you'll get the right parts right when you need them. Genuine Volvo parts are more than replacements. They're trust, uptime, and the confidence that you've made the right choice for your truck and your business.